Hello, my name is Sarah Wortman, Health Officer for Bayfield County, Wisconsin. I wanted to provide you with a brief update on the COVID-19 cases in Wisconsin and give you a situational update for Bayfield County. There are still 3 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Bayfield County. 2 have fully recovered and are off of quarantine, and the 3rd is still hospitalized in ICU. Our thoughts and prayers are with the individual, their family, and friends as we all hope for their recovery. Cases in Wisconsin continue to rise by over 100 lab positives each day, and there are even greater numbers of people who have symptoms but are unable to be tested or are waiting on laboratory results. Sadly, Wisconsin is seeing an average of 10 deaths per day, with 77 deaths total in our state to this day. Wisconsin currently has 2,440 positive cases. Today, Governor Evers issued an executive order postponing in-person voting for our spring election until June 9th. However, this order was later blocked by the Wisconsin Supreme Court, putting tomorrow's spring election back on. As we are seeing community spread of COVID-19 right here in Bayfield County, keeping our election poll workers and our community members healthy and safe is our top priority. We have been working with our county clerk's office and local towns and municipalities to prepare for the spring election and provide guidance for the prevention of illness. Drive-up voting is the safest option. However, we realize that not all polling locations are well suited for this. So today, I'd like to share some information that you and your family members should consider before you go to the polls. We are seeing evidence of community spread, so it's important to take precautions to protect yourself and others if you go to the voting polls. COVID-19 can spread before symptoms develop. The CDC now recommends that every American wear a face covering anytime they leave their home to go out shopping or go into public areas. If you go to the voting polls tomorrow, you should wear a mask. Whether you're a volunteer or voting citizen, you should wear a face covering or mask. Realizing that not all Bayfield County residents may have a mask, examples of other face coverings can include homemade masks, bandanas, or even a scarf. You should still maintain a physical distance of at least 6 feet from others to help stop the spread of COVID-19 when you are out. Please be respectful of the volunteers and their physical spacing as well, and understand that they will ask you to wait at least 6 feet apart from both the person in front of you and in back of you in line. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly upon returning home from voting. Bring hand sanitizer with you to the voting polls if you can. If you've been sick, please do not leave your home for at least 3 days after your symptoms are gone. Physical distancing and avoiding direct contact with others is still the best way of reducing the spread of COVID-19. Please consider the previous recommendations if going to the voting polls tomorrow. Wishing you an early, happy voting day and health and wellness, with all of us doing our parts, staying safer at home, and to the extent that we can at the voting polls, we'll get through this.